Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.MaRee. If you're new, welcome. I will hope that you like, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell to become a part of the D4L clique. So as you can tell in the title, this is a recreated look. We are going to use the new Morphe products that came out. I did already do this video, but as we all may or may not know, iMovie's deleted a lot of my videos, all of my videos. So a lot of videos you guys are going to see is kind of late, but at the same time, I have to recreate them because they were good content to me that I wanted to give to you guys. So therefore, I'm pushing through it. I lost over 20 videos and I'm trying to push myself to go back and recreate those looks and that content again. So I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you guys still enjoy this video. We're using the foundation, we're using the concealer, we're using the primer, and we're using the highlighting and contour palette. So if you're still interested in this long overdue video, then just keep watching. And once again, before we go, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. I love you all. Thanks so much for rocking with your girl. Now, let's go. So there you have it, you guys. This is the finished look of the Morphe products that I use. The foundation is not my correct shade, as we all seen in the video. This one is F4.30 and it is a matte foundation. We all know what this is, but this is not my correct shade. But as we could tell, I kind of made it work for my skin tone. Even though it pulls a tad bit orangey, I was able to use the contour powder in the Morphe line. Is the High 5 8H contour and highlight palette, and I was able to, you know, bring some of that color back into my skin due to the orangey foundation. But the concealer, you guys, I love the concealer, and I can't wait to continue to use it because the concealer is very, very good. And the primer is awesome. I am using it in my Shop My Stash. I will be refilming that as well, but you guys will see it in my March Shop My Stash. So I just wanted to redo this look, or redo a video using the products again. This is not the look that I used. I will put the picture right here of the original look I did using these products. Lord Jesus. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one.